The USPTO is changing its fee schedule. Here's everything intellectual property owners need to know to navigate the new costs. Let's dive straight into the new USPTO fee schedule changes and what's happening. Expect major fee increases across the board. These changes affect various filing types and become effective soon. The impact on utility patent filings is significant, particularly for application and maintenance fees. You need to budget for higher renewal costs. Design and plant patent filings are also seeing increases. Understanding these new rates is crucial for creators and innovators. For small and micro entities, while discounts remain, the baseline fees have increased, meaning your effective costs will still be higher. Pay close attention to the updated requirements for micro entity status. Ensure you meet the criteria to qualify for the maximum fee reductions. A key strategy is to leverage current fee reductions by accelerating filings before the new, higher rates take effect. Time is money in IP. These fee changes have strategic implications for IP owners, forcing a reevaluation of current filing and maintenance strategies. It's essential to update your budgeting and forecasting for your entire patent portfolio to reflect these increased costs. Plan proactively. If you have pending intellectual property decisions, now is the time to accelerate your filings to save on long-term costs. The new USPTO fee schedule is here. Review the changes, update your budgets, and act fast to leverage existing rates. Stay informed and protect your assets.